Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching my video for the first time and you're looking for the best way how to make money online, and I know some of you guys been, searching on Google saying, hey, I am looking for the best way how to start making money online in 2022, then you came to the right video at the right time, because today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start doing affiliate marketing, which is CPA marketing. That's right, CPA marketing. If you never heard of CPA marketing, basically it's like you get paid $10, like you can get paid between $5 to $10 per day. All right. So if you want to learn how to do that, what you want to do here in this video, you want to give me a thumbs up, you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn those notification bells as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing without having to spend $0. Okay, so without that being said, let's head right into this video. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to come to a website called CPA Grip. Now, most of you guys who probably don't know about CPA Grip, CPA Grip is a affiliate marketing network when you promote different offers, such as giveaways, survey giveaways, all these other stuff, sweepstakes. That's what we're here for. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to show you guys a strategy that where you can get free traffic from a private website that these online gurus never told you about. Well, it was probably BSing with you. So I'm not going to BS with you. I'm just going to be straightforward with you. So let's get right into the process. So in this video, I want to show you guys where you can get a lot of offers, and sometimes you can get paid like between $2, $3, sometimes $5, sometimes $10, depending on what country that you want to promote in. Okay, you can promote in any country. It's worldwide for everybody to be in this amazing opportunity. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to come over here, you want to hit the register button. Hold on 1 second. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Alright. So what you want to do, you want to register. You want to sign up now. You want to put your first, last name, company. If you don't have a company, leave it blank. It's okay. If you have a website, if not, leave it blank. Make sure you put your street address, and then make sure you put what state you live in. Make sure you put your city, state, and zip code, phone number. If you have a Skype, if not, leave it blank. Make sure you put your email, password, and confirm the password. Make sure you choose your time zone too as well. And make sure it say, where do you hear about us? You just told me, well, you guys can say my name or just say YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, okay? You guys can put my first and last name, Jaquan Moultrie, YouTuber, okay? That's what you can do, all right? As you're signing up for CPA Grip. Now, the next step you want to do, you want to come over here. I'm going to log into my back office right now, as you can see. Okay. All right. So, as you can see right now, you get different offers, right? You want to get different offers. But since I'm living in the United States, I'm currently, what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to start promoting one offer, okay? So we're going to do one offer, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this offer saying act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. So once somebody enters their email, we're going to get paid $2.05, okay? But it adds up. So if you want to make $1,000, let's say you want to make $100 per day, okay? That can happen. But that's if you're willing to put in the time and energy and work for it just to make $100, okay? So yeah, we're gonna promote this, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy the link, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna come to here, we're gonna go to bit.ly.com, okay? Give me 1 second. Come to bit.ly, okay? And then we're going to create our link. shorten our link, paste it. Let's paste it for a second, and then bam. And then we're gonna copy the title. We're gonna copy the title for PayPal. And we're gonna do like PayPal giveaways. PayPal giveaways. Let's do seven. Let's do 700. Wait, what did it say right here? Okay, $750 PayPal giveaway. All right, so we did that. So now we're good to go. Hold on, wait. Save that. All right. So now we're gonna copy that. Now we're gonna come back here. You want to go to a website called Classifieds Ad. I will leave the link in the description down below, so that way you'll have full access. And you can pick what city you want to create an ad in, and it's totally for free. So you don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to wait to get verified and stuff like that, okay? But what you want to do is you want to come over here. You want to pick. You can post at any city, any state as you like. It does not really matter where you're from, okay? So you can post at anywhere you like, especially like if you have jobs or anything like that, okay? So what we're gonna post this ad for free, okay? And we're gonna go to let's see something. Let's go to services and see what this is like. We can say financial services, okay? And we're going to say something like free PayPal, free PayPal 750. Okay. This is gonna be free because we're not gonna charge them anything. Okay. So now what we want to do now? Give me one moment, guys. One moment, okay? All right, guys. So yeah. So here it is right here. So now we're done with that. So now what we want to do now, we want to come back over here. Oh, we already got our link. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and we're gonna say click here to sign up. Here to sign up. That would be it. And then we're gonna make this. We're gonna put it right here in our URL. And then bam. And make it bold. And that's it. And that's it, guys. So what we're gonna say is we're gonna start from the top. Let's start from the top, okay? Start from the title. Free PayPal 750 giveaway. Okay? And then this asking for price is free. Okay? We don't want to give nothing. We don't want to say no price for it. Okay? This is totally free. We're giving away something for free. Once somebody put their email in here, we're gonna get paid $2.05. Okay? So basically, what we're gonna say, our company is looking for brand new beginners that is willing to get paid doing surveys. Now, I put in some bulletin points, so I can be professional about it, right? So we're gonna do this together. We're gonna read this together. One, no experience needed. 2, must have a smartphone or a laptop to get the job done. 3, no investing in cryptocurrency. And 4, when you join, make sure you provide a real email. Okay? That's how it's supposed to sound. Okay? And then last but not least, call to action, which is click here to sign up today. And once they sign up, and then once they register their email, we're going to get paid. Okay? So that's how it works. So, guys, ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do pretty much is just do the simple things. It doesn't really matter if you don't have experience or not. If you do got experience, or you're an expert, or you're not. If you're a straight beginner, then that means you are looking for an opportunity to make $100, okay? Just in one simple day. But that's if you are willing to put in the time and effort for it, okay? So this is why I recommend you guys to do CPA Grip, because this is going to definitely help you, and this is definitely going to help you get this definitely going to help you get a lot of, it's going to help you grow your business in better other ways, okay? So what we're going to do here, we're going to put in this code. Give me one moment. Hold on 1 second. All right. And now what we're going to do, we're going to say, let's leave it up for like a week or two. Okay. And then after that, we're done with this. So now we get to promote this. All right. It's done. See? Made it happen already, guys. That's what it's supposed to be. So look. There it is. There it is, guys. There you go. So guys, I want to say thank you for watching my video. And if you're, especially if you're a beginner, like I said, if you're looking for a great opportunity to start making money online in 2022, then comment down below and say, I am ready to start learning how to make money in 2022, and I want my free bonuses. Now, if this does not work and you're looking for a best ways to start making legitimate to like $100 to $500, then go ahead and click that first link down below. So that way you'll be redirected to our so you get so you can get redirected to our website and watch the 3-minute video that's going to explain everything that you need to know. Okay, so if you would like to make $100 to $500 per day, then go ahead and click that first link down below if you want to make money online. Okay. So without that being said, guys, my name is Shaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for watching my video. And make sure you give me a subscribe, and make sure you turn those notification bells as well, okay? So, and I want to congratulate you all for allowing me to get up 181 subscribers. Let's keep this going. Let's get 50 likes if we can for this video. And if we can, and then I am doing a free giveaway. So basically, my giveaways are, I'm doing a free bonuses affiliate marketing course. So if you want that affiliate marketing course, you want that free bonus affiliate marketing course, then go ahead and comment down below, say I am ready to start learning how to make money online in 2022. I want my free bonuses affiliate marketing course. All right. If you can comment that for me and I pick the luckiest winner, then if I say your name, you make sure you DM me, all right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. And hey, good luck out there. And hopefully you be the lucky winner out there to win my free affiliate marketing course, bonuses course. All right? So I'll see you guys later, all right? Peace out, y'all.